Okay, folks, here we are with our lab quiz culminating activity using water displacement method. We practiced this in the previous class. Remember, the first thing you're going to need to do is to zero your balance and then do the water displacement method procedure we did the other day. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the 4 materials out of your jar, or take one out at a time, and notice that they will have numbers stamped on them. I wrote on the square piece you see there, and the gray piece. Some of the pieces may look familiar to you, some of them may not. You will notice that on your jar, on the lid, there is a number. It's hard to see here with the glare. This is number 10. So the first thing you need to do is come over to your paper and record that information where it says quiz packet number. This one's number 10. All right. First thing after that, you'll calculate the mass of your object, and then go back to calculating your volume to get your density. Now, I'm not doing that because this is a lab quiz, and you are going to be doing that in this quiz, so I don't want to give away anything. Now, we are not just trying to figure out the density here. We really want to figure out what the material is. All right, and to help you do that, you're going to come up with the density, and then you're going to look at the table below. There's a density range of some common materials below. Those are the materials that we have. You can also use this clue sheet that is put up, density lab quiz clues, with about 10 clues there to sort of help you along. That would be helpful if you run into this situation where, let's say, you end up with a density of 9.5 grams. Well, that would be a bit of a problem because copper is 8.5 to 9.5 grams per cubic centimeter, but lead would also fall into that range. So in that case, you might want to refer to the clues. Now, how do we get graded on this? Well, the assignment is worth 50 points, the quiz is worth 50 points, and here's the grading rubric on which you'll be graded on. So if you get all 4 correct, identify them all correctly, you get a 4 for that. If you get 3 correct, you get 3, and so on and so forth. Now, you're not just getting graded on the number of unknowns correctly identified here. You're also looking for work ethic, meaning, are all students on task? If I don't have to give you any reminders to get back to work or anything like that, you get a 4 out of a 4. If I do have to issue one warning, you'll get a 3 there. I will then total your scores. Let's say you get a 3 for a warning and a 4 for all correct, then you would get a 7 for 90%, 45 out of 50. Hopefully everybody's going to be in this range with the 100%. All right. Once you have figured out all 4 of your identities, recorded all the information here in the table, make sure that you have this quiz packet number on there, otherwise I will not know which you had, and I will not be able to grade your quiz. Be sure that your name is on your paper, and whenever you're done, you can head right over to the turn-in bin and put it right in your class's bin number. Good luck, and go to it.